Hey, what's up everyone? First off, I want to say I had a little issue with my computer, well, my other MacBook Pro. I had to take it to the shop yesterday and I'm not gonna be able to do much editing to this video. I did not want to let a day slip by with me not getting a video out to you all. So this is gonna be a one take, and once again, this will probably just be one video this week, and based off of the results on Tuesday when you're seeing this, if my MacBook Pro is able to be salvaged or not, or if I have to get another one, which the one that I'm gonna upgrade to will probably be a 2015 model. But anyways, with that said, and I want to talk to you about a question that I get asked often, and then also one that I see online just around social media, certain sites and profiles. It's how to get better at calligraphy and brush lettering. So for me, at first, when I first got into calligraphy and graphic design, let me fix the lighting. There we go, that's better. So for me, when I first got into calligraphy and graphic design, it felt like it was a mystery. A mystery in the sense of, like, man, they are so good. How would I be able to get that good? And how would I be able to develop a style? And learning that the way to get as good as the people that you're inspired by is to make a part of your daily routine. The way how I made a part of my daily routine in the morning before going to work, like after eating breakfast, and then checking emails and all that, I'd work on a piece. I would rotate. One day be brush lettering, and then the next day would be broad edge calligraphy, and then the following day would just be on the iPad. And during that time, I would avoid any distractions, and you know, it'll start the day off even better for me. And it's just about finding those pockets of time that you can use to your advantage. And then the next thing was studying other artists' work. And by studying, you may think, Jostin, what do you mean, study other artists' work? And in that sense, it's seeing how someone creates a piece, how they start their letter, how they end their letter, the tools they use, what's their inspiration, and then just getting into their head as much as possible and seeing the way that you can use that to apply it to yours. And don't be afraid of copying, because everybody copies and they steal from each other. But in that sense, stealing is okay, but give credit where credit is due, and then make that into your own style. And then you really want to just get a whole process narrowed down that works for you and that you've learned from studying. And once again, I appreciate all the support. I will keep you all updated on the result of my MacBook Pro getting hopefully fixed, or if I have to get another one, because I don't want to do it, but it's for the business and it's for you all. It's for, I don't want to ramble. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for all the support. And I will see you all in the next video. Make sure, if you haven't done so yet, to subscribe. And also I want to say I appreciate all of you who subscribe and who take the time to watch my videos. And thank you so much for all the comments. It has been awesome enjoying this journey. So let's see where it takes us, and love you. Thank you as always for the support.